Okay, so question 4. The table shows the value of the gross domestic product of the UK for each quarter from 2007 to 2009. So here's the table. Got all this information. A country is in recession when its gross domestic product falls in 2 or more consecutive quarters. So here it defines what recession is, which is quite nice. The UK went into recession in 2008 in quarter 3. So 2008 quarter 3, this is when it goes into recession. So that means it's going down. According to the table, which year and quarter did the UK come out of recession? So we're just looking for when it goes up. So from 2008 quarter 3 to quarter 4, it goes down. From 2008 quarter 4 to 2009 quarter 1, it goes down. Then it goes back down again. However, in quarter 3 of 2009, it goes back up. Because you've gone from 428,073 to 428,682. So I would say, which year? 2009, quarter 4 is when it comes out of recession, because that's when it goes up. Using 2007 quarter 1 as the base, work out the simple index number for the gross domestic product of the UK 2008 quarter 1. Give your answer correct to the nearest whole number. So to find your simple index number, you take your base price, you divide it, let me say that again. You take the year you're trying to find out, so index, or what we're going to call it, let's call it GDP. Price, something like that. You divide it by your base, and you times it by 100. So we're interested in the base price, well, not the base price, we're interested in 2008 quarter 1. So we have our 456,663. We're going to divide it by our base year, which is 2007 quarter 1. So 444,292. And then we're going to times that by 100. So into my calculator, 456,663 over 444,292 times by 100, and I get 102.78 ... But it wants it correct to the nearest whole number, so 102.78 ... goes to 103 to the nearest whole number. Then we have the table below shows the simple index numbers for the gross domestic product of the UK for each quarter in 2010. Using 2007 quarter 1 as the base, calculate the value of the GDP of the UK in 2010 quarter 1. So once again, we're going to be using our formula, which is our price, in this case our gross domestic product, over our base, and we're going to times it by 100 to get these index numbers. So we're interested in 97.3, and we're trying to work backwards. So we've got 97.3 equals our price, which we don't know, so I'm going to call that X, over our base, which is 444,292, 444,292, and we're going to times that by 100. So now we just need to figure out what our X is. Well, to get our X, we're going to have to divide by both sides by 100. So I've got 97.3 divided by 100. And we want to times both sides by 444,292. And when I do that, I've got 97.3 over 100 times by 444,292. You get 432,296 to the nearest whole number. Mark says the UK was in recession throughout 2010 because all of the simple index numbers are less than 100. Explain whether or not Mark is correct. Well, we start off with 97.3. It is less than 100, but when you get to quarter two, it's gone up. When you get to quarter three, it's gone up. When you get to quarter four, it's gone up. So although it's less than 100, it's still increasing. So I'm going to be like, no, he's not correct. Index numbers are increasing every quarter in 2010. So he's wrong. Small mistake, I was supposed to write quarter three, not quarter four.